Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make bagels. Reason being, you can't get bagels in South Africa. You can't go to the shops and get bagels. You can't buy them. So it's one of the things I personally miss about America. So I'm gonna be making bagels because I miss them and I want to make them, and I just want some bagels. I just want a bagel with some cream cheese and some scrambled eggs and some Cajun spice on top. That was my favorite breakfast. I loved it. All right, so here is what you need to make your bagels. That's very simple, very few ingredients. Let's have a look. There's a kitten going mad. Would you all like to meet her properly on this channel? Because I can do that. I'm thinking of doing a thing. So anyway, I have 4.5 cups of bread flour in this big old tubby here. You have a cup and a quarter of water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of yeast, instant yeast, and a teaspoon of salt. And what we're gonna do is just throw everything in there. Bam, 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 and bam. Delightful, done. Everything is in there. It looks disgusting. But anyways, we're now gonna move over to our mixer. All right, on my mixer, I have attached my dough hooks to make the dough. What I should have done with the churros really is use the dough hook, but I didn't. So yeah, we're gonna mix this for about 8 minutes with the dough hook. If you have a stand mixer, that's obviously better. I don't have one, I have a hand mixer. So yeah, you can do this with a stand mixer using your dough hook. We're gonna mix this up for 8 minutes on a low speed. Let's do it. All right, I'm gonna get my hands involved real quick. I'm just adding a little bit more water to try and get this crummy texture gone. Don't know if I should be doing that, but hey. That was maybe a bit too much water. Overcorrected. To correct that overcorrection, I'm going to put a bit more flour. Alright, so once your dough has been kneaded and is all nice and ready to go, we're going to pop it into a lightly oiled bowl. Same bowl, I just cleaned it out. Pop it in there. Grab a clean tea towel and just put that over there. Cover your bowl and we're going to leave it to rise for 2 hours. In those 2 hours, I'm going to go and run some errands. So I will see you guys then when this dough has risen. Alright, see you then. Bye. 2 hours have passed and the dough has risen a lot, a heck of a lot. So we're gonna punch this down and then we're gonna make our bagels. But the first thing that we gotta do is preheat our oven before we get started with anything. Preheating it to 245 degrees Celsius. Sorry, sometimes I know what it is in Fahrenheit, sometimes I don't. Today I don't. Okay, let's punch down the dough. Punch it down, punch it down, punch it down. Oh, that looks good. Yum, yum. Let me flour surface quickly. Oh, and also, let's get some things organized, shall we? A big pot. We are gonna boil some water in this because we've got to boil our bagels before we bake them. Duh. So I'm gonna boil the kettle and then I'm gonna put that boiling water onto the stove and then we'll have water that's boiling pretty quickly. In the meantime, we're gonna shape our doughs. Please excuse the sounds of the kettle. So I have a lightly floured surface over here, and we're gonna divide this big baby it feels so good. Into 6 pieces. Not very even, but it doesn't really matter. We're now going to roll these into sausages and shape our bagels. Okay, coming over to the stove. So our water has come to the boil. It's time to boil our bagels. So I'm gonna throw it in 2 at a time. And we cook them for about a minute on each side. So fun. A lot of waiting involved. These bagels are huge and rather ugly looking. Baking trays, too small. Look at that. That's not going to work. We're making plans. Ah, those are heavy. Now we put those into the oven. Good God, they're gonna be hideous. We pop those into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Ah, got some smoke in my eyes. Something's in there, crisping up. Oh well. See you guys in about 15 to 20 minutes. Look at them! They're huge! They're amazing, aren't they? Wonderful. I'm gonna move them over to somewhere else. Ow. Ah! Yum! Oh my goodness. Look at them. They're just amazing. So not bagel shaped because they're way too big. But like, oh my goodness, I'm super excited about these bagels. Let's prepare one. I think those are amazing. They are amazing. Oh yeah. So good. Let's try get a thumbnail. That would be good. All right, cool. Thumbnail in there somewhere. Let's make a bagel. So I still got some basil pesto left over, which may seem gross, but all of these videos have been made in close succession to one another. I'm gonna go for this little guy over here. Cut him open. What do you like on your bagels? Let me know. My camera's gonna die. We gotta do this quickly. We gotta do it quickly. Get some butter. Some butter. Don't die, camera. Hold out. You can do it. I believe in you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, that needs backup batteries. All right, we're just gonna do the one side of it. So I'm just doing basil pesto and butter on this because I want to taste it quickly. I'm also gonna taste just this little bit here that hasn't got anything on it. Ow, it's still really hot. Those are good. That's delicious. Those are good bagels. Oh no, it's okay. All right, but that is that for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. And if you would like to support me on this channel, then please subscribe. All right, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.